Want to clear cookies, browsing history, and cache in Mozilla Firefox? I'll show you how to do it step by step. Launch the Mozilla Firefox browser. Click the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. On the left-hand panel, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. Check the box that says Delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. If you want to exclude certain websites from this rule, click Manage Exceptions. Enter the domains you want to exempt and click Save Changes. Close the browser to apply the settings. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.